Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your echo mode on AOC Monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically use these buttons right here. So you'll see the first button is to turn off the monitor. This is the menu button. This is the arrows that you will navigate through the menu, and this is the exit button. So we are going to be using the menu button, these two arrows, and the exit button. So let's click on the menu button, and you'll see that the menu should pop up, and then click on the menu button again. Then use your arrows and go to echo mode. Then use your menu button to enter it, and here you can change it to, let's say, text, internet, game, or movie, sports, and standard. And to confirm it, press again on menu button. As you can see, it confirms. And now to exit, just click on the exit button 2 times, and you will be ready to use your monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.